Hey everyone, welcome back to Timbo's Food Box. Today, I'm diving into one of the hottest debates in home cooking, air fryer versus smoker versus grill. Which one is best for cooking meat? I'll share the pros and cons of each method, talk about which types of meat work best on each appliance, and help you decide which one fits your lifestyle. Let's get started. The air fryer has exploded in popularity because it's super fast and really convenient. It preheats quickly and cooks meat faster than traditional ovens. Plus, it uses minimal oil, so you still get that crispy texture without the deep fried feel. Cleanup is a breeze too, since many parts are dishwasher safe. However, there are a few downsides. Most air fryers have a smaller cooking space, which can be a problem if you're cooking large cuts of meat. And while they deliver a nice crisp, they don't give you that smoky, charred flavor you get from grilling or smoking. So, if you're after speed, convenience, and a healthier alternative to frying, an air fryer might be perfect for your everyday meals, especially for chicken wings, pork chops, or even some fish. But if you crave that deep, authentic flavor, you might need to look elsewhere. Now let's talk about smokers. If you love rich, deep, smoky flavors in your meat, a smoker is hard to beat. Smokers work on a low and slow basis, making them ideal for tough cuts like brisket, pork shoulder, and ribs, which come out, fall apart, tender, and infused with incredible flavor. On the flip side, smoking meat is a time-consuming process. You're looking at several hours of cooking time, so patience is key. There's also a learning curve. Dialing in the perfect smoke intensity can take practice. Plus, smokers tend to be bulkier, require regular cleaning, and are mostly meant for outdoor use. If you're a dedicated pitmaster who loves the idea of crafting perfectly smoked meats and you're not in a rush, a smoker is definitely the way to go. Finally, let's discuss grilling. Grilling is a classic method that many of us grew up with. Grills are fantastic for delivering high-temperature searing, which gives steaks, burgers, and other cuts that signature char and flavor. Whether you choose gas or charcoal, grilling offers a versatile cooking experience that's both fun and social. Of course, there are some downsides. Grilling is often weather dependent. A rainy day can put a damper on your plans. It also requires a bit more hands-on attention to avoid flare-ups or overcooking. And let's be honest, cleanup after a charcoal grill isn't always the most pleasant task. So if you love that outdoor cooking vibe, the social aspect of a backyard barbecue, and the amazing flavor that comes with a good sear, grilling might be the perfect option for you. Now you might be wondering, which method should you choose for cooking meat? Here's a quick recap to help you decide. Air fryer, perfect if you value speed, ease, and a healthier way to enjoy crispy fried foods without the extra oil. Great for smaller cuts or for those quick meals. Smoker, the go-to choice if you're after that unmatched smoky flavor and tenderness. It's ideal for large, tougher cuts like brisket and ribs, though it does take time. Grill, best if you love that classic charred flavor and enjoy outdoor cooking. Grilling is versatile and offers a fantastic experience, even if it demands a bit more attention. One company that really stands out in this space is Grassroots Farmers Co-op. Their commitment to quality, sustainable practices, and superior flavor truly sets them apart from so many other companies. Their meat is top-notch, and it pairs perfectly with any of these cooking methods. For more recommendations on other great companies, check out my blog post on timbosfoodbox.com. To wrap things up, every cooking method has its own unique benefits. Your choice depends on your priorities. Whether you value convenience, flavor depth, or that classic outdoor cooking experience. No matter what you choose, you're well on your way to cooking mouth-watering, high-quality meat at home. If you enjoyed this discussion and found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, leave your thoughts in the comments, and remember, visit timbosfoodbox.com. I've got plenty more tips, exclusive deals, and recommendations waiting for you there. Until next time, happy cooking and enjoy your delicious meat.